So, hey there, everybody. I recently got one of those cheap axes from Harbor Freight after watching Wranglerstar's video, and I thought, oh, that might be a cool project. I'm really curious to see how difficult it actually is to modify the way he did for somebody with zero experience doing that like myself. So I figured I would make a video about that at some point, but before I ruin the handle on that, I figured I would try out the technique to remove this stuff from this handle on a $2 one that I got at Walmart today. So it's just a little mallet that I needed anyway. So I have this Moore knife. It's run of the mill, another cheap one. So I was just curious to see kind of how this goes. I was going to keep track of the time too. So it's about 1:40. So we'll see how long this takes. About a minute with the foam sanding block. Super good. I still need to get this taken care of. I don't know what to do there. So that's really all it takes. 10 minutes or so. Got that all cleaned off. Using the knife to get that varnish off was super nice. Actually, it came off really quick. So anyway, I'm going to go clean this up and use like a damp rag to get all the sawdust off. I'll be back after it dries, and we'll put some linseed oil on it. So we're back. Gave it about 10 minutes to dry off. Wiped them down with that damp cloth, made all the fibers kind of stand up on here and rough it up. So I'm just going to hit it with some 400 grit sandpaper just to smooth it all, get all those fibers off of there. I don't know if leaving that little bit of sawdust on there is going to matter when I hit it with the linseed oil. So I guess we'll see, but I don't really care all that much. So there we are. Super smooth right now. Appear to have gotten all the varnish off. So based on what was in Wranglerstar's video, this really helps out to keep you from getting blisters. And I don't know if I'm going to be using a rubber mallet enough to actually get blisters, but now we will have to find out. Cool. So the battery's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off and call this one a day. It looks really nice. So yeah, that's the end of it right there. Looks really nice. Feels smooth. I'm gonna let it sit for a day and or two, and hopefully that dries out. So again, thanks for coming by, and we'll see you on the next one.